Tired of battling stubborn breakouts? Look no further. Here are some effective home remedies to clear up acne, pimples, and dark spots naturally without harsh chemicals. Honey has natural antibacterial properties, while cinnamon helps to improve blood circulation and fight bacteria. Mix together a teaspoon of honey with a teaspoon of cinnamon powder to form a paste. Apply the mixture to the face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Oatmeal can help absorb excess oil from the skin and exfoliate dead skin cells, reducing the risk of acne. Cook plain oatmeal according to package instructions and allow it to cool. Apply the oatmeal to the face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with water. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making it effective against acne. Mix turmeric powder with water or honey to form a paste and apply it to the acne-prone areas. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with water. Aloe vera contains salicylic acid and sulfur, which are both effective in treating acne. Extract the gel from an aloe vera leaf and apply it directly to the acne-prone areas. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with water. Repeat this process twice daily for best results. Known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, apple cider vinegar can help kill acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water and apply the solution to the affected areas using a cotton ball. Leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes before rinsing with water. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for treating acne. Brew a cup of green tea and allow it to cool. Apply the cooled tea to the affected areas using a cotton ball or spray bottle. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with water. Tea tree oil is well known for its antimicrobial properties, making it effective against acne-causing bacteria. Dilute tea tree oil with a carrier oil such as coconut oil or olive oil and apply it directly to the affected areas using a cotton swab. Leave it on overnight and rinse off in the morning. Ice can help reduce inflammation and swelling associated with acne. Wrap an ice cube in a clean cloth and gently apply it to the affected areas for a few minutes. Repeat several times a day as needed. Remember to patch test any new remedies on a small area of skin to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions. While these home remedies can be effective for some people, it's essential to consult with a dermatologist if you have severe or persistent acne. Additionally, maintaining a healthy skincare routine and lifestyle habits, such as staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, and managing stress, can also help prevent acne breakouts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Stay tuned for our next video.